Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. We are live. Crazy. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning. We're getting these links posted across the board and we'll be good to go. Hope everyone's having a nice day. Hope everyone had a nice week, guys. Let's end the trading week strong, guys. I'm just posting my live links across the board on the socials and the Discord, all that good stuff, guys. And then we'll get after it, guys. Market opens in about 15 minutes, guys, so we still have some time to prepare, guys. We still have some time to prepare. What's up, Ace? Good morning. Just posting these links across the board, guys, and we'll get going. Good morning, Fad Bun. Good morning, guys. So what we're doing here, guys, is we're trading futures. Not quite yet, but that's what we're going to be doing in about 15 minutes, guys. We're going to be trading live here. What's up, Chuck? Morning, brother. But anyway, guys, we'll be trading live here, guys. So far, we've done about 7 sessions, I believe. 7 trading sessions, I think. And the account is sitting right now at $151,680. So we are up almost $1,700 since we started this stream. I mean, we have had a slight red day and then like a decent sized red day, meaning about $300. And then as far as the green days, yesterday was about $175, and then previously $150. And we made $800, $400, and $550, guys. So it's been a pretty solid. So I guess that's 7 or 8 sessions, whatever it is. So overall, guys, has been pretty solid. Hopefully you guys are learning along the way as well. And my goal is within the next 2 weeks to sometime beginning of November, I want to try to be able to get to the profit target so everyone can take a withdrawal, guys. So that's the goal. Again, we're not going to be taking any trades just yet. 1, because I don't really love taking trades like 10, 15 minutes before market opens. And 2, I want to allow some others to get in here before we start taking anything, guys. So if anybody has any questions in the meantime, what's up, Jason? What, we in? We're in nothing yet. Nothing yet. Good morning, SPM. Good morning, good morning. Do I use the 15-minute time frame, Chris? Yes, I do use the 15-minute. I use all the time frames, guys. It's really important to have an understanding about all the time frames, guys. How do you learn to trade, bro? I'm currently want to get into it, but don't know where to start. Well, Melvin, luckily for you, I can kind of help expedite that learning process, me and my team. If you want to learn, click the link in my bio, Melvin. It'll send you to the Stock Dads Discord, and then from there, use code ZACH. Code ZACH, Z-A-C-H. Get you a free month in the Discord, and we can be able to help you there. And if we can't help you, God knows who can. So, am I using Top Step? No, guys, I'm not using Top Step. You can see right here on the screen. right here on the screen. It's called Tradeify, guys. This is the firm that I'm using, guys. It's a straight to funded platform, meaning no evaluation needed, guys. No evaluation at all. So all you have to do is sign up, pay the one-time fee, and you get that funded account right off the get-go. No need to waste time, money, or energy on any type of evaluation, guys. Good morning, Carlos. Good morning. And again, guys, it's called Tradeify. Make sure you guys are using code StockDads, guys, for that 40% off. If you guys open the 150K account, you should have access to it within a couple minutes. So if you're new here and you want to start following right away, guys, you can do that now and hop on the wave with us as we start trading in about 10 to 12 minutes here, guys. For those in the Discord, guys, I also posted my daily plan for options, so make sure you guys check that out for those in the Discord who are tuning in now as well. Thoughts on PayPal, guys? So as far as options go, guys, I'm keeping that strictly for the Discord. If you guys are watching and you're from the Discord, at me in the chat. I'll be sure to share all of my analysis there. And if you guys are not already in the Discord, guys, make sure you guys use code ZACH, ZACH for a free month, guys. I got a loan to trade more futures today, going full port first play. That sounds like a great idea. How much does Tradeify pay after 10 days? Micro germ shields, good question. So it depends on the account. It depends on the account. The 150K is either 3,000 or 4,000, I believe you're able to withdraw, which is pretty awesome. So basically, if you pay a $400 one-time fee, you're able to withdraw anywhere from 6,000 to 8,000 the first month. So that's what, a 12 to 15x on your money, 20x. Thoughts on QQQ? So guys, this is the NASDAQ futures that we have up on the screen right here. In my opinion, as long as we can remain above 2483s, we can look for further upside here. Somewhere first target would be this rough 2545s, and then previous day high, which is around the 2600s, and then 2642 and 2720s will be targets, guys. So ideally, what we could see near the open is something like this, a little bit of consolidation, and then we can move higher from there. That would be the ideal entry for us, guys, in my opinion. Wow, really? I'm not sure what you mean. Yep, so guys, if you're in the Discord, make sure you tag me in there and I'll be able to do any analysis you guys want. Right now, guys, on the stream, I'm going to be sticking to futures here, guys. So again, any analysis you want done, make sure you're in the Discord. Make sure you tag me and I can chart anything you guys want. I'll be able to do that for you. So just let me know in the chat. And again, guys, for those that are just tuning in now, guys, I appreciate the follows. King, Mini, User, appreciate all of you guys. If you're just tuning in now for the first time, guys, which seems a lot of you guys are, we're trading futures, guys. We're trading futures on the Tradeify platform. I don't know if you guys are familiar with futures or how it works, but basically, guys, this is a straight to funded program, meaning all you have to do is pay a one-time fee, not a subscription, a one-time fee. You get a funded account, and then you get that funded account right off the rip with no evaluation process needed, guys. So in theory, if you guys are new and you want to start following, I'm going to start trading in about 10 minutes here. We're going to start trading about 10 minutes market open, and I'll be sharing all my entries and exits live with you guys. So far, it's been pretty solid. Knock on wood, hopefully that continues, right? This account started at 150,000 last Tuesday or Wednesday, I believe. I don't remember exactly. I think last Wednesday, and now we're sitting at 151,680. So we're almost $1,700 in profit, guys. It would be really sweet to end the week above 2,000 in profit, and then next week potentially size up. But again, there's no rush. There's no, we're gonna have patience. We're gonna take losing trades over time. Just gotta stick with the program, guys. Stick with the plan, and we'll be okay. Where in the world was Cortland Sutton last night? No idea. Can I have the Discord link? Yes, the Discord link is in the bio. Make sure you guys use code ZACH for a first free month. I put it in the chat there, guys. The Discord link is in the bio, though. Make sure you guys are using code ZACH. So all markets open 9:30. No, not all market. Well, 9:30 Eastern time. Yes, 9:30 Eastern time is when the market opens. Hold on 1 second. Shout out StockDads for the sick merch as well, guys. Make sure if you guys want to get your merch, rep them. Whether you're in the group or not, guys, it's cool merch. They close 4 p.m. Eastern time. Yes. What's up, President Nix? What's going on? New hoodie is fire indeed, guys. Guys, make sure if you're not already following, guys, double tap the screen, drop me some likes, drop me a follow. It really helps me grow the stream. I really appreciate that, guys. You know, I hop on here for free to try to help you guys. Normally, like I mentioned in the past, guys, I will only be streaming live exclusively in the Stock Dads Discord, but for the month of October, I'm doing this little mini stream side quest, as I've mentioned before, where I'm going to be streaming live futures every single day for October. So make sure, guys, if you're not already in the Stock Dads Discord, to join there. Link is in the bio. Make sure you guys are using code ZACH for that first free month. And you know, after October, we'll be rock and rolling there. And we're still trading options, guys, in there. We're still obviously doing other stuff. We're doing a lot of analysis, and that's just me, guys. That's just me. We have a team of 10 to 12 exclusive traders in there. So if you like the way I trade, you're gonna love the way everyone else trades as well, guys. Everyone's there for a reason. It's like a sports team essentially, right? Everyone has their own different role. That's what I love about it. Regardless if you like stocks, if you like futures, you like options, crypto. If you're a degenerate sports gambler like me. Make sure, guys, you're using code ZACH, Z-A-C-H. And if you're following from other streams, guys, Zach Austin Trades on all socials, guys. Make sure you drop me a follow and share there. Appreciate that. I can't even start this because I work 4 a.m. to 2 p.m. Oh, well, the market opens. The market's open 24/7, Death Bullet. I should say the only hour it's closed for futures is 5 to 6 Eastern time. Besides that, it's open. I just personally prefer to wait till the 9:30 open to take my trades, but plenty of people trade, all the time. So. And again, guys, for those that are just joining now, asking, we're trading on the Tradeify platform, guys. It's a straight to funded platform, no evaluation process. It's on the screen right here. Using code StockDads gets you 40% off the one-time fee, guys. Please do yourselves a favor, guys. Don't wait. Don't wait. The promotion is still lasting. I don't know when it ends, guys. They previously had a 60% off sale, and a lot of people were waiting, thinking they raised it to like a 70% offer. And no, not only did they not raise it, they dropped it. So, I want to make sure everyone's able to get it while the promo still lasts. So, guys, the beautiful thing is that the promo itself gets you 40% off, and the accounts are only a one-time fee. What's up, CryptoX? How are you doing? So because it's a one-time fee, guys, you don't have to worry about the subscription. There's no rush. There's no time frame. You trade at your own pace once you have it, because essentially it's your account, right? So with that being said, guys, in theory, what I tell everybody to do, and this is my unbiased opinion, which is what I'm doing, I'm going to be adding a couple more accounts. Likely today, after the market closes of the 150K, I'm going to be trading probably 3 total accounts during the streams. It's not going to affect our trading at all, so don't you worry. Do I stream on YouTube? Yes, at Zach Austin Trades. But I recommend everyone get as many accounts as they can afford, even if they don't trade them right away. Lock it in with the 40% off discount, because I would hate to see someone not use the discount and then they get rid of the promo, and I don't know what their plan is. But this is a funded account, sorry, I can't pronounce your last name. Funded account, again, Tradeify. That's the name of the firm. That's the name of the firm, guys. We open in 5 minutes here, guys. Let's see where we open, see how we open, guys. NQ is getting a big dump here. Sheesh. Looks like this may not play out here, guys. Let's see. Again, we're going to wait and see how the market opens. How do you link multiple accounts together, guys? It's very simple. I'll show you end of the stream. So make sure, guys, if you do have multiple accounts, I can show you end of the stream. The market's about to open, so I'm not going to go over it right now, guys. But it's very, very simple. You just go to the tab right here. I'll show you guys real quick. You go to this tab right here in the middle, click that, and then you click to manage accounts, and then from there, when you hit manage groups or manage accounts, whatever it says, then from there you're able to kind of drag them into a column and select which groups you want to be trading, guys. All right, guys, so we're about to open here in a couple minutes. Do I scalp? Yep, I do a mixture of stuff. And 10:30. Okay, sweet. So you guys have about another week or so. You guys have another week for the promo, so make sure you guys take advantage of that while you can, guys. What am I trading today? We shall see. Can you do it on an Android? Yes. The Tradeivate app is a widely accessible app, guys. You can trade that on any platform. At the open, guys, I'm going to keep an eye on some other stuff as well, some options as well. We will see, guys, what we're trading, guys. We will see. Not exactly sure what should happen to NQ there, but not entirely pretty. What live broker do you recommend? I use Tradeify, guys. I use Tradeify. That's what I personally use. What I personally use is the only thing I can recommend. So again, why I like it, there's no evaluation process. Don't have to spend your time and money doing that. Using code StockDads gets you 40% off the one-time fee. You can start trading, making money right away, guys. That's the beauty of it. That's the beauty of it. For those on TikTok, appreciate the likes, appreciate the follows and the shares. For those who are not already following, appreciate that, guys. How much will we be putting in today? We'll see, Death Bullet. We shall see. Make sure you grab that account. Follow along, though. 2 minutes, guys, for the market open. 2 minutes, guys. What's up, Fish? Sounds good, Death Bullet. Again, guys, for those that are just joining now, I know we're constantly getting questions, guys. I'm waiting for the market to open here. The futures does trade 24/7 practically. It's only closed 1 hour. I'm trading on the Tradeify platform, guys. It's a straight-to-funded platform, meaning no evaluation process, guys. Code StockDads for 40% off. We just got a really big spike back up there. Ooh, look at Netflix. That's probably why. All right, guys, so Netflix is a dip back over the open print. We can look for longs. All right, let's see what we get here, guys. Let's see what we get. NQ ideally opens above this 24.83 level. We shall see, guys. Do I ever trade London? Occasionally, not too much. I prefer to just wait, guys. For you're trading futures, Henry, futures on the Tradeify platform, straight to funded, no evaluation process, guys. No evaluation process. Let's see, guys. Let's see how we open up here, guys. Again, guys, I usually don't like ripping off trades right at the open, so I like to wait a little bit. So we're going to wait and see, guys. We're going to wait and see here. ES just rejected that 59.06s in the pre-market. NQ is going to battle it out to see where it opens here. RTY looks like it's opening under level, as well as the Dow is kind of in between. So let's see where NQ opens, guys. Let's see where NQ opens. So NQ did not open above the level, neither did Apple. Netflix is looking good, but the spreads are too wide. NQ is dipping. ISRG just ripped. Hopefully you guys were able to snag that. There goes Netflix. Options and futures, guys. I trade that in the StockDads Discord. Make sure you join. Link is in the bio. Using code StockDads gets you first. Excuse me. Using code ZAC gets you a first free month, guys. Death Bullet. No, in order to open an account, it costs you a couple $100 for the futures accounts. NQ with the dip, ES with the dip, off that level as expected. Netflix spike, dip back over the open as expected. NQ with a big dip here, guys. The Dow with a big spike. Damn, that's a big spike there. So the Dow with a dump now. RTY with a bit of a dump. Apple dipping, Netflix dipped bits. Nothing so far, guys. Just waiting here. NQ with a bit of dip. We want to see NQ back over the 483s ideally, which is like right near the open as well. There we go. The 15-minute hasn't flipped yet, so we got to wait. Maybe the 15 might shake out a little bit. It's a pretty big dump there on ES, though. It's about 12 points or so. The Dow is right at a pretty key level here as well. The Dow is at level 43.48. Right, the hourly 20. This could be a spot to long the Dow, guys. I think it may be, guys. I'm going to take one long contract Dow here, guys. 43.350. Going to be using a 40-point stop loss. So at 43.10. Stop loss at 43.10, guys. I mean, one long Dow, 43.350, guys. Going to be looking for a quick bounce here, guys. Quick bounce is what we'll be looking for here, guys. Again, using about a 40-point stop loss. Again, I don't really love taking trades near the open, but the Dow with a climactic sell here at the open. We just dropped 150 points right to a key level, right to an hourly level. Let me throw on the screen real quick, guys, where you can see it. So you're not completely blinded. Sorry, I'm just making sure I'm entering the trade first. Making sure everyone gets in the trade. Getting a little bit of a bounce here. Sorry, guys. Hold on. Bear with me. Bear with me. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. All right, guys. I'm going to exit it here, guys. Exiting it here for about 30 points, guys. Exited there. I exited long there. All right, guys. Quick little scalp to start the morning. Plus $145, guys. Just reiterating why I took the trade again there, guys. 5-minute bounce off of that EMA. Looking at the hourly, we also... Excuse me. Sorry. If you look at the hourly as well, we're right at the hourly 8 EMA. So first tag usually gets at least some type of reaction. So we did get a 30-something point reaction there. So that's why I want to take that quick scalp. So plus $145, guys, there. Quick little scalp, guys. All right, so nice little cushion. What time do you start the... What time frame do you use? 5-minute typically. And again, guys, so this setup here, guys, as you can see now, faded through that a little bit. So now what we would look for a re-entry is something like this. And so this this is what I call being right even if you're wrong. So you can see we had that bounce there, 45s all the way up to like 80s. So I was able to get that 30-point pop there. Again, you have to be quick and you have to know what you're looking for here. Again, I don't really do too many of those like real scalp type of moves there, but I just know kind of from experience that these moves typically will happen at least for a small reaction. So then what you can do is one of two things: either take it right away, or you can put your stop loss at break even. I prefer to just take it right away because you can always go lower. You can always get re-entry. Netflix seems to be ripping here too fast. Sorry about that. Sometimes, guys, I'm just trying to get in and out, get out, guys. Just trying to get in and get it out. Netflix moving. Damn. So now RTY is trying to bounce, NQ is trying to... Netflix super strong still. Damn. Netflix is ripping. Alright guys, so we still have the Dow on the watch, still have NQ on the watch here. Alright guys, so one quick scalp to start the morning, plus $145. Not bad there, not bad. There goes Netflix. So if the Dow can get some type of failure to go lower here, guys, we'll take a re-entry in the Dow with the stop loss below. So we'll see how that's looking, guys. How long does it take to get withdrawal from Tradeify? So you need 10 trading days. And then after that, guys, the withdrawals happen within minutes. People are saying they're getting their withdrawals within 5 minutes or so. Which is pretty awesome. We're looking for another entry in the Dow, potentially, guys. We're looking for another entry in the Dow. So wait for this 5-minute close here, guys. Wait for this 5-minute close here in the Dow. Let me know, guys, if anybody has any questions, guys, while we're kind of waiting for the next trade. Again, we're kind of looking at the Dow, we're looking at the NQ. RTY is a bit weak right now, ES as well. NQ and the Dow look the Dow looks weak, but the Dow's at a key spot. That's why it's kind of on my radar here. And the NQ is the strongest overall here, right? Great scalp there. Thank you, JC. Small little scalp to start the day. Nothing crazy, guys. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy to start the day. Eyes on Amazon. I'm not really trying to trade too much options right now, guys. How many trades am I going to take? Who knows? However many setups I get. There's no really limit or criteria per se. Just whatever I see, whatever I think sets up, we'll take, guys. It's that simple right now, guys. I do like the Dow here. If we can get back over this 348s on the 5-minute, we'll take a look. We'll see how the 5-minute closes, guys. Still no entry just yet. Again, guys, we're trading on the Tradeify platform, guys. Straight to funded platform, guys. No evaluation needed. Do I trade SPY? I don't trade SPY. I just trade futures, guys. I trade futures. So I trade ES futures. I trade ES futures. I don't really necessarily trade SPY, guys. Still watching the Dow here. The Dow's in a tricky spot, though. It can go either way. Let me know, guys, if anyone has any questions while we're kind of in downtime right here, guys. What I want to see for NQ is a 5-minute close back over at least 2483s. If not, you know, it may be the open, but I mean, ideally 2483s. We could get that push back up here, but we'll see. If we get that push back up that rejects, it could be ugly for the RTY and the Dow if they remain to be weak, guys. There goes NQ back over level, guys. There's NQ back over level. So let's see if it holds here. Let's see if the Dow holds here, guys. A Dow 5-minute close over can potentially send us, guys. NQ above level. How much drawdown you have to work with? 7,500 on the 150K accounts, guys. 7,500, which is beautiful. Basically, it's a $400 one-time fee for 7,500, guys. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. YM looks like it's rallying back, which is good. If we get a 5-minute close over, could already be potentially too far gone. So we'll wait and see. We'll wait and see for now. I'm going to see if this 5-minute can be a little bit more mild. If so, potentially take some trades, guys. What's up, Shane? When would you use Robinhood Legend when they release it? Not exactly sure if I will or not. And keep an eye on this Dow, though, guys. Keeping an eye on the Dow setup here, guys. Keeping an eye on the Dow setup. Getting prepared to enter Dow, guys. Getting prepared to enter the Dow, guys. Is it trailing drawdown? No, it's intraday. Intraday, guys, meaning it's not unrealized. It's all realized. So once that profit hits your account, say they make $500 and your drawdown becomes $8,000 intraday, guys. Guys, I'm going to take one long here. I'm going to be willing to add to it. I took one long at 85, guys, as the fill you guys can see on the screen. One long at 85. I'd be willing to add to this position if we get a little bit of a dip. My target's going to be roughly that 8 EMA, around like 20, 25 or so. I'd be willing to add to this position, guys. So I'm going to give it a little bit of wiggle room here, guys. I'm going to give it a little bit of wiggle room here. And again, my target, guys, is going to be that 5-minute 8, around like 20, 25s or so, guys. NQ hopefully gets a hold above that level. Hey, what's up, Shane? What's up, my brother? What's up, Jacob? What's going on? Again, guys, we're going to be looking for that 5-minute 8 EMA tag roughly for the target. I will be adding. I will be willing to add potentially to this position if it dips. So just keep that in mind. NQ's back above level, so if we get some type of retest, we can potentially enter that as well. We'll be looking for something like this, guys. Potentially something like that, guys. Get an alert of some sorts. MUX, what the heck is that? What is this thing? Q and mining? I don't even know what this thing is. No time to spread my focus thin though.
Friendly sessions, we bring it to you. Favorite primary colors are red, yellow, blue. That's all we got. But we didn't get far enough. But
NQ potentially on a retest. Let's see. Again, guys, I'd be willing to add to the Dow if we do get some type of dip. I'll be willing to add to something like this, some type of dip back over. I'd be willing to add somewhere like this 8 EMA / 440 level is my target. If we get something like that to happen, guys, that's what I'm watching for on the Dow. Also watching NQ for that little type of dip as well. Are your hourly levels hourly pivots? Kind of, yeah. What's my stop loss? Underneath that previous pivot, guys. I'm keeping it a little bit wider here just because I want to let the trade work, and I also want to allow for an add if need be, guys. Again, target's roughly the 5-minute 8, somewhere in there. I'll let you guys know as we kind of approach that what we're going to be looking for, guys. Trying to just keep my eyes peeled on everything, guys. The chats, everything. Could be setting up like some type of 1, 2, 3 on the 5-minute, guys, for the Dow. So we can keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. How long have you been trading? Futures for about an hour. Please send me info. What do you want info? What info? I do not trade gold, really, no. I've been trading for a couple years, though. Futures I've been trading for 1 year. Futures I've been trading for 1 year, guys, and I've been grateful enough to be able to take about 100,000 off these futures firms. Hopefully be able to exponentially grow that number in the coming years, guys. Excuse me. Thank you, the Big Dipper. If the Dow closed under the level, guys, then I'll look to cut it and reevaluate. NQ just had a nasty reversal. NQ just reversed about 70 points there or so. 65, 70 points. I'm going to give it the, like I said, guys, I'm going to give it the opportunity to bounce off this level, but if it doesn't hold, then I'm going to cut it underneath those lows, guys. If it breaks underneath these lows, guys. Basically, keeping my stop a little bit wider. Keeping my stop a little bit wider in hopes that I can let the trade work a little bit, not get stop hunted, right? And then hopefully work our way back up there. But again, if the market completely fails, then I'm not going to step in the way, and I'm going to allow the market to do its thing, guys. Am I going to trade penny stocks? No. How long to be profitable? You got to really dedicate yourself to education and the learning process. That process will be different for everybody. For me, it was like 6 to 8 months of like really nose to the grind, guys. Again, under these pivot lows, guys, I'll be out. What I'm basically doing, guys, is I'm risking the previous profit to kind of get more, right? Allowing the stop to be a little bit wider. So here's the thing, guys. This is why I say it's really key when it comes to sizing. If we sized big right away, we wouldn't be able to have a wider stop. Your stop loss is based on your sizing, right? So if your size is very big, your stop loss has to be tighter. You have no choice. But if your sizing is smaller, you can have a wider stop, allow the trade to work a little bit. So you kind of have preference as to how you want the trade to play out. Again, if YM fails and the market starts pulling back in general, guys, I'll exit the trade. Do I trade personal capital for options? Yes. For futures, I don't. I think the leverage that you get trading firms on futures is fantastic. So. Market's pulling back as a whole. ES with a nasty reversal as well. ES just dropped about 11 points in that 5-minute bar. So again, we'll see. If YM breaks those previous lows, guys, I will cut the trade. It'll be like a $200 loss on the day. If the YM does rally back from here, guys, and doesn't take out our stop, then I'll be willing to add to the position because then I'll have some confirmation. If it does take out our stop, we move on to the next trade. I'm liking the YNQ. Trading micros, I'll trade minis or micros. It depends on the setup, guys. I'll go back and forth depending on the stop, depending on the setup, guys. Morning, Funded Futures Network. Good morning. Guys, also I think it's someone mentioned before with the funds. I think by trading futures, guys, on a firm, it also allows you to kind of disconnect a little bit and you know, trade a little bit with less emotions, not having to worry about, you know, your money going down the drain if you take losses, etc. So. Some people at the time make emotional decisions knowing that they're trading with money that's like, you know, their savings, or, you know, some people do crazy things. So. I use Tradevate. I don't use NinjaTrader. Tradevate, in my opinion, is the best futures broker, guys. Again, guys, the stop will be under the previous low for the Dow, guys. If we do rally back from here, I'll be willing to add to this position because I'd have some good confirmation, right? Essentially, guys, the larger the size, the larger the larger the size is based on the amount of confirmation. Less confirmation, less size. Also, though, with less size, you have a wider stop. So there's a bunch of trade-offs that get involved, guys, which is good. NQ getting back to that 2483 level, guys. Again, if YM takes out this low, I'll exit the trade because then we're probably going to end up going lower. Yep. All right, guys, stopping out there. Got stopped out there under that previous low. So we gave back some profit there. I was willing to do that because we did have about, so I gave back about 70 points worth because we did have about 60, 70 points up to this like 440 to 460 area. So for me, it was about 1-to-1. But in theory, for me, that was also a high probability trade. Unfortunately, the NQ just completely rejected. So we're down 295 now on the day, and we'll look for the next trade. Yeah, NQ there rejected from 25.11s all the way down to 24.48s, guys. So that was like a 65-point rejection or so. So not ideal there, of course. Again, the stop loss was tagged, and now we'll look for the next trade, guys, whatever that next trade may be, wherever it may lead us, guys. So ideally now we're going to wait for confirmation on NQ above this level. That's what we're going to wait for. That's what we're going to wait for, guys. The Dow most likely is going to be now invalidated for the rest of the day, or at least till later. The RTY is also looking pretty weak, and you know, we'll see what happens with the ES and NQ. Let me know if anyone has any questions, guys. So we'll do a little account update as well, guys. So right now, let me show you guys. Anybody some baby oil stocks? I don't trade oil stocks, unfortunately, guys. So here we are, guys. The account right now is sitting at 151,374, guys. So we're still up almost 1,400 on the account, guys. One loss, one win today. A small baby scalp, and then like a normal size loser today on the Dow. So we shall see where we go, guys, from here. Looking at NQ right now, looking at NQ here. And again, guys, it's important when you're trading futures especially to cut the trade. You know, the trade could work, but we need to see something very definitive like this now for the Dow in order for it to play out. So for me, you know, I don't know how long this will take or if it even play out. So we're going to wait and see. Again, why I like the trade, we were holding this 5-minute level. We were also at the hourly 20 EMA at the time. Right now we're beneath it. The daily was pretty extended already to the downside. Looking at that 5-minute candle, we dropped about 150 points. So I was looking for some of that rally back as the market was rallying back, but then everything kind of crashed down at the same time. So T is what it is. Let me know, guys, if anybody has any questions, guys. Does Tradevate have funded accounts? Tradevate does not, guys. Tradevate does not. But I'm trading with Tradeify. They have straight to funded accounts, no evaluation process, guys. Good risk. Yep. You know, it's always worth. You just have to define your risk, guys. See if it's worth the risk to reward, and then just go from there, right? If it's not worth your personal risk, don't take the trade. If it is, then you do. Very simple. As of right now, it doesn't really look like we're getting anything set up. I'm keeping my eyes on NQ now mostly here. NQ's right near this level, guys. Let's see what we can get. Again, if anyone has any questions, guys, feel free to. Now's the time to ask questions, guys. Let me know. So, guys, again, we're up. The account is at 151,300 and change, guys. Sitting up from 150,000, guys. 150,000. So, we're up still about almost 1,400. We're up about almost 1,400 in the account, guys. So, still sitting pretty nicely, guys. My name is Zach, user 2457. Zach and Zach Fuchs. I have 2 different channels in the exclusive Grill Masters sections, guys. If you're not already in the Stock Dad Discord, make sure you guys use code ZACH for a free first month, guys. Free first month. Code ZACH. No setup just yet, guys. Just wait and see. Good morning, Bowser. What's going on? If you guys, if anyone has any questions, guys, feel free to ask, guys. Now's the time to ask. NQ's trying to break above this level here, guys. If we can break above this level with confirmation, that's the key. Hourly closes in 30 minutes here, so ideally ES can break back over the opening print, NQ can get going as well. So we'll see what happens here, guys. We'll see what happens here, guys. You're not under Grill Masters tab. Unless something just changed, I'm there. I'm right there. I'm the last one on the Grill Masters tab. It's in alphabetical order. I'm under there. I just checked. I indeed am. You can see right there, Zach. Yep, I'm right there, guys. I'm not sure if it's something wrong, maybe with your Discord or something like that, but I'm there, guys. Don't you worry, I'm there. How long did it take you for to learn? It took me a good amount of time, 6 to 8 months, really dedicating myself, and then like screen time, of course. But again, if you guys want a free month in the Stock Dads Discord, guys, make sure you use Zach. Little squeeze happening on NQ. Not quite, not quite. We need the 5-minute close over 24.83. We still haven't gotten that, guys. We still haven't got the 5-minute close over 24.83s. We need that confirmation. I think the reason we failed before is the 15-minute was not yet flipped. Now the 15 minutes flipped, so potentially some type of 15-minute 1, 2, 3 in the works, 15-minute inside bar. So I like a 15-minute strong close, maybe some consolidation back up. So we'll see what happens, guys. YM coming back could, but for me, guys, YM needs back above the 43.48 level. Back above there potentially could work for longs, but for now, I'm just gonna hold off. Gonna hold off and wait. I have a lot of imposters, I know, unfortunately. Just block and report, guys. I'm sorry about that. Just do your best to block and report them. Guys, I'm trading on the Tradeify platform, guys. These are straight to funded accounts, meaning no evaluation process, guys. So if you're not already trading alongside with me, guys, we're up about $1,400 on these accounts. And make sure you guys go to tradeify.co and use code StockDads, guys, for 40% discount. So I'm waiting for this 15 minutes to kind of shake out, guys. We want this 15 minutes to shake out and hopefully get some confirmation for us, guys. This is what we want to see, though. We want to see that 5-minute 8 catch up. We want to see the 15-minute flipped. So everything's kind of shaping up so far, guys. NQ looking decent here as well. Gonna wait for that NQ 5-minute close and 15-minute close ideally for us. The hourly's flipped back to an uptrend, so still an inside bar, so it could still just be some chop. ES is under the opening print. RTY is weak. The Dow's under level, so a lot of things kind of not ideal. But and again, guys, if you guys want a free month in the Stock Dads Discord for new members, guys, make sure you use code ZACH, Z-A-C-H, guys. Get you a free month in the Discord. Code ZACH, Z-H, Z-A-C-H. If anybody has any questions, guys, feel free to let them rip now, guys. Now is the time. Still watching this NQ, guys. I want this 15 minutes to consolidate a bit more, guys. Something like that is what we want to see there, guys, for NQ. Ideally, right? Anybody have any questions, guys? Let them rip if you do. Why I'm on its way back, potentially. What EMA is 8 and 20, Jake Chan. 8 and 20. Yeah, we'll see. If YM gets back over level, we can potentially look for an entry there, guys. But also, what I like to do personally, guys, I like to wait 15 minutes. At times, I like to wait 15 minutes and kind of let the market shake out and let it do its thing, right? If it gets stopped out, let it do its thing. Like, let it, you know, wait at least 5-10 minutes and let it shake out, guys. Gotcha, user. Okay, sweet. Again, guys, if you're not already following, guys, please do me a favor, double tap the screen and also drop me a follow. Really appreciate that. And if you want to join the Stock Dads Discord, guys, make sure you use code ZACH for a free first month, guys. Learning to be patient. Yes, you absolutely have to be patient, guys. Absolutely have to be patient. It's the most important thing in futures trading because they literally harp on the people who are not patient. Again, guys, for those that are new joining, asking, guys, we're on the Tradeify platform, guys. This is a futures trading firm. They allow straight to funded accounts, guys, meaning no evaluation process needed, guys. You can start making money right away. It's just a one-time fee. It's not a subscription, which is a beautiful thing. It's a one-time fee. Using code StockDads here gets you that 40% off, guys. Make sure you guys are taking advantage of that while the promotion still lasts. Why don't I use electronic trading hours? I do use both, guys. I use both. You guys can't see my screen, my other screen right here. I can actually show you. This is my other screen, guys. I have a 4-grid going with extended, and I have regular on. So I have 4 different screens going, and on that one I do. I just have, you know, for simplicity purposes, I can only have one chart up like this. And also for those that are just joining new for the first time, guys, I'm streaming on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So there's multiple chats going, trying to get to all of them, guys. And just know that we're trading on the Tradeify platform, guys. Straight to funded, no evaluation process. Looks like NQ kind of left without us, unfortunately. So now what we're going to do is allow the 5-minute 8 EMA to catch up to current price a bit. The YM as well. The YM is also here, back above level, but I'm going to wait and see. I'm going to just wait for it, guys. Again, this, you know, we could potentially have just gotten stop hunted and it could work, but again, I'm just going to wait and see. I'm going to wait for NQ in particular here. The blue arrow. The blue arrow was just kind of the path I wanted to see happen, guys. It was just the path I wanted to see happen. That's all that was. Again, guys, if you're not already in the Stock Dads Discord, make sure you guys are using code ZACH, Z-A-C-H, for a 1-month free trial, guys. I'm an exclusive analyst in there, but we also have a team of 10 to 12 others, guys, who trade in there every single day. Most trade live, so if you guys want to get access to that. I'm normally in there trading live, guys, but in October, I'm doing this little futures mini side quest where I've been streaming every single day on the streaming platforms, guys. So just got NQ to make up for the Dow. Sweet, good work. RTY is very weak here, trying to potentially push new lows, so you're gonna still wait for NQ here. ES is a bit weak. RTY just made new lows there on the day. ES still kind of struggling a little bit. So RTY made new lows, only market to make new lows, so keep that in mind, guys. Only market there to make new lows. I'm going to allow the 5-minute 8 EMA to catch up a little bit here, guys. RTY is dipping pretty hard here. RTY had like a 6-point drop. So we're a bit shaky here, a bit conflicted. Hourly closes in about 15, 16 minutes here. So we're going to wait and see, guys. Again, guys, for those that are just tuning in now, guys, I'm streaming live futures, guys, every single day in October. If you guys are not already following Zach Austin Trades on Instagram or TikTok, please do me a favor and do that. Like the streams as well. The more likes I get, the more people that join. Hopefully here to try to help you guys make some money. Right now, we're currently at about $1,400 on the account. Down about 200 and change today so far. Hopefully we'll be able to make that back on our next trade, guys. Let's see. I'm stalking the NQ, though. I'm stalking NQ right now. Whoa, a little skip there in the music. RTY just had a death drop there. Dropped almost 10 points on that one bar. That was pretty wild. NQ's kind of retracing back here. Like I said, I want to see this 5-minute catch up a bit. I want to see that 5-minute 8 EMA catch up to current price a little bit. Opening range. I don't really use opening range too much personally, guys, but I know some people do like it. Some people do like it for sure. RTY is pretty weak here. $15-second trend change means 5-minute lower high like we set. I don't know about that. I don't personally use that, but maybe. I think, guys, we're just going to consolidate a bit more. I think we're going to consolidate here on the 5-minute, allow those EMAs to catch up to current price a bit. And the hourly closes in 15 minutes, and maybe battle it out a little bit more. So we'll see. That's what I'm kind of thinking here, guys, personally. This 5 minutes still holding this 83 level. We're just kind of bouncing around, right? Going to be very cautious with what I take next because we already took an L. One more L and I'll be done for the day. So this is how you control the drawdown, guys. Okay, guys, if you're not already following on TikTok, really appreciate you dropping a follow. Thank you, guys. Let me know, guys, if anyone has any questions, guys. Now's the time. Drop them down below in the chat. Any questions about myself, Stock Dads, Discord, futures trading, Tradeify, anything like that, guys, feel free to let me know, guys. Drop any questions down below in the chat, guys. RTY getting a little bit of a pop back up here off of that extendo low. Right near that hourly EMA. Makes kind of sense why we're bouncing there. Let's size out. Not yet. Not quite yet, guys.
72, 72. Friendly sessions. We bring it to you. My favorite primary colors are red, yellow, blue. That's all we got. We didn't get far enough, but I will say this. All right. As we were, Friendly Sessions episode 72. Eli said he was gonna host this one, but to be honest, he kind of just like handed it to me, trying to rhyme every line.
I was going to use the past tense, but I'm going to use the present tense. You are currently commandeering my episode.
You know what they call me, right? Matt Hijacker Halbert.
I do not know that. Why do they call it? I'm a terrorist around radio shows. I don't know if this is appropriate for a new show. I think it is. Okay, well, then you guys are still listening to us.
We got plenty of new music. We got plenty of stuff.
Stop. We got plenty of music. We got plenty of stuff.
Who's more excited? Who do you rather hear? This guy.
All right, episode 72. Let's get to it. ASMR. This is NPR. Episode 72.
PM.
I thought I just heard somebody try to get into my place, so that's why I got up there. That was a bit scary. Guys, we have about 10 minutes left for the hourly close, guys. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see what this hourly close brings us, guys. Let's wait and see, all right? Let me know if anybody has any questions, guys. Any questions, again, now's the time to drop any. You know, sometimes people are asking questions right as the market's opening or right as I'm trying to enter a trade, and, you know, respectfully, I need to kind of focus during those times. So if anybody has any questions, guys, now is the time to let them rip. NVIDIA buy or sell? Why not do both? NQ, yes, guys, we're watching NQ now. I want to see the 15-minute continue to consolidate, guys. As we can see, the 15 minutes not really giving us any indication of much, so we're waiting for this 15 minutes to consolidate a bit more. And again, guys, for those not already in the Stock Dads Discord, make sure you guys use code ZACH, Z-A-C-H, for a first month free. They're usually scalp hold trades, or what do you do based on your exit? It just depends. If I hit my targets right away, there's no reason to hold longer, right? If my targets are not hit and my stop loss is not hit, I'll hold. I try to be in and out as much as I can, and depending on the setup. So you know, you guys will see over the course of time. It really depends on the setup. How much is Tradeify cheap accounts? 806. So the Tradeify is 50K. 50K is the cheapest one. And it costs you about $330. You get $2,500 worth of drawdown. I personally think, guys, the straight to funded 150K is the best bang for your buck. It's only $90 more, and you get $5,000 more of drawdown, guys. So in my opinion, the straight to funded 150Ks are the best bang for your buck, about 400 and change. And then, guys, I'll be trading these live. Again, I've taken 2 trades today, 1 L, 1 win. And I'll be trading all these accounts live, guys. Yes, that's with the discount, Rudy. Again, guys, Rudy, this is a straight to funded account, meaning there's no evaluation process. No evaluation process. So you just purchase the account, boom, it's funded right away. You can start working towards making real profit right away. No time needed to spend on the evaluation, no needing to pass or hope you pass or whatever. So that's the beauty of these accounts, Rudy. When can you deduct funds? After 10 days is the minimum you have to trade, guys. 10 days, 10 days. After 10, you can start taking out profits, guys. So far today on the day, 2 trades, 1 loss, 1 win. We're still just kind of waiting to see what happens, guys. We're still waiting to see if there's any type of potential entry on NQ. I don't know if there is or not, but we shall wait and we shall see, guys. I've not got my first payout yet, Rudy. I'm still working on it. I actually just opened a new... So prior, Rudy, I opened up... here, actually, let me just show you here. Hold on. So, Rudy, prior to this, I had a 50K account, and I tried to kind of be a hero and, like, absolutely get it to, like, crazy numbers. But I unfortunately blew the account being a dummy. So I opened up a $150,000 account, which I'm now grinding back. And so... currently, the account I can show you here. Let me see if I show you. So this is the new accounts that I'm working on. We're at 153,373. But the beautiful part about it is that it's an automated payout system, meaning that there's no subjectivity involved. People are getting paid within minutes, literally minutes. Someone from the Discord yesterday got paid. They requested it, got their permission granted, and they got paid in 5 minutes. Literally insanity. It's I don't even know where else on the universe you can get paid that quickly. So, but that's why I like it, guys. There's no subjectivity involved. As long as you fit the criteria, you're good to go. Again, guys, making sure you guys use code STOCKDADS for the best discount, 40% off any of those one-time fees, guys. That's the beauty of it, too, guys. It's a one-time fee. It's not a monthly subscription, guys. It's a one-time fee. That's the beauty of it, guys.
Yo, we are back with Two Friends Advice Column. You can ask us your problems, email the show at twofriendsmusic.com or hit us at socials at Two Friends Music. We got a problem from Lucy from New Hampshire. Guys give my dog more attention than they give me. What do I do about it?
I have a simple solution, and it's you're just going to have to deal with that because that is life, Lucy. You're not special.
We need to hear some bangers. I think we need some bangers for some market setups, right? Let me see if I can find any. Let's see how this one goes. No, it's not. It's not what I thought it was. Scratch this one. Let's get a little chill vibe in here. Let's get a little chill vibe. Like, I like this. This is like a little country, like EDM-ish mashup. I'm not a huge country guy because I played baseball in college, and then all of my music I always listened to was country. So, but this is good. Give me W to N green, buddy. That's what we're looking for, Eddie. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for a W to set up. We're looking at NQ in particular here, but not sure if we'll be able to get that set up here. I think we're just getting a lot more chop, guys, unfortunately. I think we're getting a lot more chop here, but we'll see. Again, we'll see here, guys. Why do I prefer regular trading hours? Because I use the EMAs, and those are very important with regular. Waiting on Apple, got you. Yeah, I really prefer using regular because of the EMAs, especially, guys. But it's important to note, Bex, both. If I group both accounts on TradeAvate, do I select any of them in TradingView? I don't use TradingView, Arpon. I'm sorry about that. I can't really help you with that one. Yeah, it's OPEX. That's why I was expecting some chop, guys. That's why I'm being extra cautious today. That's why I'm being extra cautious today, guys. Again, guys, we're trading on the Tradeify straight to funded platform, guys, meaning no evaluation process. You can start trading right away. And also, guys, you can have up to 7 accounts, guys. So I already mentioned, guys, I will be adding more accounts probably today or this weekend after market closes. It's not going to impact, it's not going to impact anything. I'm going to trade them off stream to kind of grind them up to the current price. But all you have to know, guys, is that basically everything you see will be tripled. Dance with me, dance with me. 1, 2, 3. Trying to make sure I have a hold on all the chats, guys. I'm down to add another. I'm not going to start them from zero, Fish. I'm not going to start them from zero. It's just going to be too much work. But essentially what you can do, Fish, is you can link them together. So moving forward, the second one will have all the trades the first one will have. I mean, the profit may be a little bit different, but I'm currently trading a 1-of-1 prop firm. Not really sure what that means. I'm using Tradeify, as I mentioned, guys. It's a straight to funded firm. Also, guys, this was the hourly close here. This was the hourly close, so keep that in mind, guys. But with the no evaluation process, in my opinion, guys, it makes it a no-brainer to trade. It really makes it a no-brainer. Makes it a no-brainer, guys. In my personal opinion. All right, not having to worry about trying to pass the evaluation, not having to worry about any of that, guys. For me, that means everything. Still waiting for NQ here, potentially. The Dow's just kind of hanging around this 348 level as well here. Right? So we're really just watching NQ, guys, see how this reacts. The 15-minute hourly got the close over. Kind of hanging right around this area here. I don't want to go like super scalp mode, like looking for like 4 or 5 points. I'd like to at least get like 10 to 15 on NQ if I can. So I'm going to wait a little bit longer, see if we can get a more proper setup, guys, here. Or at least something on the Dow, maybe. But again, we're just going to wait, guys. We have no rush today. No rush. Now's the time to ask questions, though. If anyone has any questions, guys, now's the time to ask questions, guys. Good time to enter SoFi. I don't really give financial advice that way, guys. I apologize. Everything that I personally enter, guys, is posted in the Discord. So if you guys want to know exactly what I'm entering, all my technical analysis, all my charts, all that stuff, guys, click link in the bio and use code ZACH, Z-A-C-H, gets you a first month free trial, guys. The hourly candle gives you confirmation, guys. Gives you confirmation. You ever tried scaling up a live account? Yes, I do, but I just want to make sure I have more profits. So, guys, as I mentioned before, with this current account, I'll just show you guys for the ones that are just joining now. So this account, guys, so we started with 150,000 last week, last Wednesday, I believe. We're sitting at 151,374 now, guys. And so once this account gets to about like 2K in profit or so, at that point I'll size up a little bit, right? For the most part, we've just been trading one mini. I'll maybe go like 15 micros or maybe 2 minis, so we'll kind of size up depending on, you know, how we see fit, right? NQ is bouncing off this 5-minute 8, but again, I'm just going to wait a little bit longer as the hourly just opened. So. Let me know, guys. Any questions, guys? Let it rip now, guys. Now's the time. Do I ever trade oil? No. I have 2 MFM Symphony that I group trade. Sweet fish. Yeah, it's basically the same thing then. It's basically the same thing. You just open the managed groups, let them get linked together, and go from there. Slow and steady, definitely. Definitely. Selgus, what's my strategy, bro? Trade off liquidity. I know it's a mixture of the EMAs, guys, the 8 and 20 EMAs, mixture of that hourly level system that I use, guys, as well as multi-time frame analysis, of course, which is the key. Price action, multi-time frame analysis, that is key, guys, to all trading, of course. That is the key, guys.
I'm just goofing. New boot goofing. Oh.
Guys, I'm not really seeing too much else, guys. I'm still staying on, though. We're still gonna keep grinding, guys, and hopefully get some more trades in here, guys. But it's a bit slow here. Obviously, it's OPEX options expiration, guys. So if anyone has any questions, now's the time to let them rip, guys. Yes, Tradeify allows DCA. What's your white line? The white lines are the hourly levels, guys. These are the hourly levels that I use, guys. These are the hourly levels, guys. Dow's looking maybe interesting here. Maybe an hourly inside bar, maybe pop up, pop down, we'll see. NQ's dipping a bit now underneath the level. Again, it's just not looking clean here for us, guys. You're low on NQ. Good luck, brother. Underneath the 20 EMA, I'd probably cut it, but potentially could be a good long. My Instagram is Zach Austin. My personal Instagram and personal TikTok, guys, Zach Austin Trades. I'll type it in the chat, guys. I'm an exclusive analyst in the Stock Dads Discord, though, so that's why I'm trading live here. Normally, guys, I only trade live in the Stock Dads Discord, but this month I'm doing this like mini side quest, I call it, where I've been streaming every single day live futures, guys. So hopefully to meet new people, interact. White line is a hourly level CEMA, not a EMA. 8 and 20, yellow and blue, those are what I use as far as the EMAs. Any news on CMG? Was there something that just popped or something? I don't think anything just popped. So I don't think there's any news. No, I don't believe any news. I don't believe any news, guys, happened unless I understand something. This is just a lot of chop, guys. Just a lot of chop. What rate we meeting at, fam? You tell me, Simon. I'm trying to take SPX crate. Good luck. Let's go. What's up, Simon? What is StockDodge? StockDodge is a trading Discord, guys. I'm an exclusive analyst in there. Like I said, typically I only trade in there. I only trade live there. But this year so far, this month so far, I'm trading in October every day live. So typically just in the StockDodge Discord. So again, if you guys want to get access to that, click the link in my bio. Use code ZACH, Z-A-C-H. Code ZACH, Z-A-C-H gets you a first free month. May 220 profit. I'm out. Congratulations, brother. I'll catch you. That was a nice move there on the Dow, though. Nice hold. NQ's holding as well, so we'll potentially see what's going on here, guys. Send me a DM. Got you, C. Paisley. Again, guys, we're trading here live every single day with a Tradeify platform, guys. Again, these are straight to funded accounts, guys. Straight to funded accounts. No need for the evaluation process, guys. We're trading these live. No need for an eval. Make sure you guys use code ZACH. Code StockDodge for 40% off, guys. 40% off there. If anybody has any questions right now, guys, right now is the time to ask. Let it rip, guys. Let it rip. Let me know, guys, if anyone has any questions for me. Look over SPX, guys. SPX, I don't trade SPX, guys. I personally only trade futures. I don't trade SPY. I don't trade QQQ. I don't trade any of that. I just trade futures, guys. So, for example, NQ futures, or I'll look at ES futures for you, right? So, ES futures, what have we done so far? We have done a whole lot of nothing. If we look, guys, we can draw, I don't love doing this, but we can just draw little trend lines like this, right? Little trend line like this. And we can say, what do you want to do? All right. Let me know, guys. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions? Let it rip, guys. Do I trade NQ? Yes. I trade NQ. I primarily trade NQ. I've been trading a lot of YM this week. But I primarily trade NQ, guys. Our guy, Chef, who's one of the analysts there, he exclusively trades NQ. We have a bunch of futures analysts, guys, a bunch of stock analysts, option analysts. We have everything, guys, everything. Make sure you guys use code ZACH for our first free month, guys. First free month. Yeah, it's just chop right now from OPEX, guys. That's really what this is. I just jokingly said this is called the OPEX Wacko Trader formation. There's really nothing to see, though. There's really nothing to do, nothing to see, right? The Dow, actually, look at this. This little bastard. Look at this thing go. Stock ads might have to be the move. Yep. Guys, it's a free month. This happens every so often. OPEX happens, guys, once a month. If you guys are not familiar on what OPEX is, guys, it's options expiration. What does that mean? It means every third Friday of the month, the big institutions basically decide, do they want to keep their options? Do they want to roll them? And that's why sometimes you get chop, sometimes you get indecision, sometimes you get a trend. And so it all just kind of depends. Futures are risky to trade on. They're not risky if you use a funded firm, right? They're not risky if you use a funded firm, guys. If you use a funded firm, they are quite risk-free. The only risk you have is the one-time fee you pay. So again, guys, Tradeify, it's a straight to funded process. There's no evaluation needed. Using code StockDads gets you 40% off. So far today, we've taken 2 trades, 1 win, 1 loss. Risk it for the biscuit. Overall, still solid, guys. Still pretty solid on the account, up about $1,400. Hoping to get one more solid trade under our belt to end the week strong. That's the goal, guys. The retracement almost got you. Ooh. Lose yourself. Let me know, guys, any questions, let it rip, guys. Now's the time to ask, guys. Now's the time to ask. Quick question, if you don't know the trading, blah, blah, blah. What do you think my futures winning percentage is? So Oz Mooney, I have an interesting strategy where basically I utilize the break-even stop loss a lot, guys. So basically the break-even stop is utilized about 40% of the time, and then additionally I have about a 40 to 45% win rate, and then I have a losing rate, if you want to call it, about 15-20%. So my win rate's roughly like 65 to 70% with futures. With options, it's about 74% over my last 1,000 trades that have been tracked. Appreciate that, GOAT. Process is the GOAT. Listen to him. What time does OPEX come out? OPEX is the entire day. I did write a book about trading. I did write a book about trading futures, yeah. Again, guys, you know, this is not to, you know, to some it may be a ton, to some may not be a lot, right? But I luckily have been fortunate enough to get about $100,000 from these futures firms in the last year or so. I started trading futures actually last August, I believe, or last July, maybe last August with firms. And then my first payout was in September or October, and then since they're in the calendar year, I've been paid about $90,000. I've been trading futures for about a year, calendar year, maybe like 14 months. Options I've been trading for about 3 or 4 years. Full time for about 2.5 years. Yes, I wrote a little futures guide book, however you want to call it. I call it a playbook. Exclusively talking about my futures trading strategies and what has kind of helped me get success pretty immediately. Because guys, I will say that there is a bit of a difference between trading futures and trading options. There's a bit of a procedural difference in my opinion. So bro, destroying the odds, proof it's possible. Appreciate that 806. I do appreciate that. Hey guys, here's the thing, guys. What I do, I don't have some crazy strategy, right? Do I use someone else's strategy? Not necessarily. What I've done throughout time, guys, is I've kind of combined things that I've learned from different people. I've combined pieces of this, pieces of that, and kind of made it into my own systematic procedure and strategy, which has helped me, right? Appreciate that process. Yeah, guys, here's the thing. As long as you're patient, as long as you guys are, you know, willing to learn, you know, that's all that matters when it comes to trading. I use the 8 and 20 EMA and VWAP. That's all I use, guys. Where do you trade? Like Tradeivate? I trade on Tradeify, guys. So Tradeify is partnered with Tradeivate. So you can see right here, the middle screen is Tradeivate. But if you guys want to get the straight to funded account, it's Tradeify.co. You got a 40% discount for the one-time fee on Stock Dads, guys. Stock Dads is the discount code. Again, guys, it's a one-time fee, straight to funded, no evaluation process, guys. So make sure if you guys want to roll with me, if you guys want to, if you guys want to, trade live with me, I'll be trading live every single day for the rest of October for free, and then after that, just in the Stock Dads Discord. So make sure, guys, that you guys use code Zach in the Stock Dads Discord for that first free month. The link is in the bio, guys. And guys, why I like this as well, guys, is because there's a couple things that you have to keep in mind. There's not many rules, right? You can do dollar cost averaging. You can trade news. The only rules they have is they have a 20% consistency rule, which for me is no big deal, right? If I make $10,000 over the course of a month, my biggest day has to be $2,000 or less. Very simple. I usually take a couple good trades and then shut it down anyway. My biggest day so far on this stream has been $800, all traded live. Then you need 10 total trading days. Not a big deal. We're almost already at that. And then lastly, you need 5 total days of over $100 profit. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. All of those things are very feasible, very obtainable for anybody to do, whether they're following me or not, guys. So again, if you guys want to follow me, I'll be happy to help you. If not, you can do it on your own. You can definitely do it on your own. So let me know, guys, if anybody else has any other questions at all. You're allowed to do DCA if you'd like 24/7. They have no dollar cost average rule. So if that's something that you like to do, you can do that. You can do that. It does not matter. Again, the only 3 rules they have: 1, 10 trading days; 2, 5 days of $100 profit; and lastly, 3, the 20% consistency rule, which is no big deal. Again, for me, usually, on my personal account, if I get to about $1,000 profit on the day, I shut it down anyway. There's no reason to push it. Why give back money if you don't have to, right? Nope, the first month. You get 1 free month in Stock Dads. 1 free month. 1 free month. Do a trade futures daily. Yes, Chris Money. I've been trading it daily for all of October. Moving forward, it'll be only in the Stock Dads Discord, so make sure you use code Zach. But again, guys, it's only the first month you get free in the Discord. Yep, Apex denied you for DCA. Now they're yeah. That's why, guys. Apex is brutal. How to pass 100K? Do you have a way? Yes, the way, TT, is to go to Tradeify here, and there's no evaluation process. No evaluation process at all. So because there's no evaluation process, you pay the one-time fee, boom, you're funded right away. Guys, I've been trading futures every single day live here for you guys here, right? And so far, we're up about $1,400 on this account, despite the losing day today. Still doing really great, guys. Looking for one more trade, potentially to end the day. That's the goal here, to see if we can get one more to end the day. User 2457. If you signed up for the account, then they should give you on your dashboard a username and password. Use that username and password to log in, and then give it like 5 minutes, and then you should be good to go. And you guys, you're allowed to have up to 7 accounts. So essentially, guys, the accounts are about $400 each. So it costs you about $2,800 to get 7 different accounts, which gives you $50,000 in drawdown, guys. $50,000 in drawdown, which is pretty crazy if you think about it. The best size for 100K. I don't do the challenges, TT. I don't use the challenges. I use the Tradeify straight to funded platform, guys. So there's no challenge involved for me. No challenge involved for me. Sorry about that. Let me know, guys, any other questions that anybody has, guys. Let me know. Looking to trade to find stock that start money. I'll take an NQ trade with you right now if you do. Yes. Do I trade only futures? No. I trade futures and I trade options, guys. All my option trades are exclusively in the Discord. Today, personally, guys. Hold on one second. Today, personally, guys, I took one trade. I can show you guys the trade. So this was in my daily plan this morning, guys, was ISRG. What is ISRG? This is a stock that had earnings. Why did I like that stock in particular? This purple line here was the previous all-time high. So what did we do? We had a daily flip that tested and broke the previous all-time high. I said, I wrote verbatim. I'll read my daily plan verbatim for you guys, right? So I wrote, guys, in my daily plan, which I post every single day, I post exactly what I'm looking to take, how I'm looking to take it, you know, all those things. So ISRG, guys, I said gap breaking long consolidation. Any dip back over the opening print, we can long. From there, the target is 515 to 520. As you can see, we immediately push up to that 515 area. And then earlier in the day, guys, I posted my chart for ISRG. So I said breaking a 2-month consolidation, we'll look for a dip and back over opening print for longs. The last 2 earnings days moved $20 and $24 intraday. A dip to the previous all-time high and back over the opening print can be viable, and that's exactly what we got, guys, as you can see here on the chart as well. I'm gonna still watch for the NQ though, guys. I'm gonna still watch our NQ. Ooh. Took NQ off my screen. That thing nosedived. ISRG coin? No, nothing right now, guys. I'm not in any options right now, guys. Let me know, guys, any other questions you guys may have. I trade options live. I do in the Discord, not on these streams, guys. Not on these streams. These streams are exclusively futures, guys. If you guys want to get all my options trades, make sure you click the link in the bio to join the Discord, guys. That'll get you all of those trades. Yes, TT, there's no passing. I don't know what else I have to say to explain it, but there's no passing in the Tradeify. You purchase the one-time fee and you automatically get funded. There's no evaluation process for this. No evaluation process for this. So, you know, I don't really know what else to say to help you out there, but just know that is the way. My review. The Dow, of course, is turning around here. Oops, where is it? It's okay though, guys. That stuff happens, right? That stuff happens. You get stopped out just for the trade to work. It's unfortunate, but that's just how trading works at times, guys, right? I like this country because it's like an EDM country mix, and it gives me a little nice vibe, but it's actually getting a little slow. I was about to change it. We're gonna listen a little faster, guys. Actually, like, so this is an example of a country song that I like. It's like a little country remix vibe that I like. I'll show you. So this is what I like, guys, personally. Osmoni, we trade every single morning, guys. One of us will trade. There's multiple there's multiple options traders, multiple futures traders. We always have some type of futures or options voice chat going, guys. That's the beauty of Stock Dads. That's the beauty of Stock Dads. Keeps you calm for the market craziness, indeed. Let me know, guys, any other questions you guys may have for me, guys. Any tickers, any questions, anything about Tradeify, Stock Dads, Discord, future trading. And looking like, guys, it's going to be a big chop day today. Looking like a big chop day, so I'm not sure if we can get too much action the rest of the day. But again, as always, I'm going to stay on and just see and let the market prove me wrong, at least for another 30 minutes or so, guys. At least for another 30 minutes or so, guys. Whole lot of chop, guys. Whole lot of chop. How much 50K count? It's about 330, but guys, I personally prefer the 150K. You get $5,000 more of drawdown for just about extra $90 or so. Again, these are one-time fees, guys, and make sure you guys are using code STOCKDADS for that 40% off discount, guys. Again, it's not a monthly subscription, guys. It's a one-time fee. So far today, guys, what have we seen? We've seen a poke lower, a poke higher, and a whole lot of just straight consolidation, right? A whole lot of consolidation. So I'm gonna kind of just wait and see. Guys, again, I'm not sure if I'll take another trade today. It's really not being 100%. I don't know. It's not giving us a ton of confirmation here, so I'm happy just taking a small L and calling it, but I'm also still on the lookout for another trade if we can get it, guys. So. Coin and MSTR, both nice, for show. Let me know, guys, if anyone has any questions, guys. Any tickers or any questions anyone has for me, let me know. Let it rip. Netflix going crazy. Damn, I didn't see that. If you had to choose one source to point someone to learn to, what would it be? I would say me, Adrian, unbiasedly. Do you only take longs when prices over 1 hour, 8 EMA? That is ideal for sure. Waiting for breakout either on upside or downside for Nvidia and Apple. Well, if you're waiting for it to go up or down, it'll move one of them. I promise you, it'll go up or down. That's one thing I can promise you. Nvidia will go either up or go down. I promise you that. That's my money back guaranteed. Wake up in a hotel room next to me. Rich white girls. All I'm doing is wasting my time. Rich white girls. Let me know, guys. Anyone has any other questions for me, guys? Let me know. Let it rip. That's a risky bet. No, I will bet anybody that Nvidia will either go up or down. I promise. There's not many things you can guarantee in the stock market. That is one. If you're waiting for an upside break or a downside break, I promise you one will happen. Let me know, guys, any other questions you guys have about myself, Tradeify, the firm I'm on right now, guys. Again, this is a straight to funded firm. So far, took 2 trades kind of earlier on in the day. Really nothing so far, or nothing yet from there. And just kind of still chilling, waiting to see, right? Let me know, guys, any other questions, guys, before I hop off for the day in a little bit, probably. Let's stay on at least another, like, 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes at least. NQ does look boring, and it is boring. I can confirm after somebody who's been sitting here watching it. I can confirm it's boring. NQ could be setting up some type of 1, 2, 3 here on the 5 minute. We're going to watch that, guys. We're going to watch for that. Maybe even ES as well. We'll see. Boring, making me money. Hey, as long as you're making money, right? Yeah, the higher time frames aren't looking good, guys. I'm not really looking at anything, honestly. I mean, watching the Dow, watching ES, watching NQ, watching everything, guys. I'm trying to, but I don't want to try to make something out of nothing, right? If there's nothing there, guys, we're just gonna kind of call it an easy early day. But again, I'll be on for another 20 minutes or so, just to kind of let the market. I always say, let the market prove you wrong. Always have an idea in your head, and then let the market prove you wrong, right? Let me know, guys. Any other questions, guys? Let me know. Any other questions, guys? Let them rip. Let them rip. Again, we're trading on the Tradeify platform, guys. Straight to funded. No valuation process needed, guys. Remember that. 40% discount using code StockDads. Took 2 trades today. 1 L, 1 W. One, two, three. Impulse. Pause. Impulse. That's it, baby. Toronto. Let me know, guys. Any other questions you may have, let it rip, guys. Let me know. Now's the time while it's dead. Fuego. No, I'm not in any trade, guys. I've taken 2 trades today so far, 1 L, 1 W, and it's just looking a bit choppy for me right now. So I'm just kind of gonna wait. I'm gonna wait at least another 15, 20, see if anything kind of provides itself to be, or proves itself, I should say, to be a decent entry. And if not, I'm just gonna call it an early day, right? I mean, not really thinking there's any reason to push if there's nothing to be seen, right? Just super slow, guys. Again, for those that don't understand, OPEX is options expiration, and basically what that is the third Friday of every month. Big institutions decide if they want to keep their positions, if they want to roll them, if they want to, maybe indecision about them. That's why at times, we'll get some really mega trend days if institutions want to continue with their position. Sometimes we get days like this, which as of now is just straight chop, really a whole lot of nothing, right? Rebalancing, because for those that don't know as well, that for the longest time, there was no weekly options, right? There was no weekly options, let alone 0-day options. It was just monthly options, right? It was just monthly expiration because they were primarily used as a hedge. Obviously now with more retail in the market, more options trading in general, there's more people trading options. So they added more expirations, right? And before that, it was just really used as a hedge. And so big institutions are now kind of figuring out, all right, what they want to do with their stuff. Unfortunately for us, sometimes that gives us a whole lot of nothing. But we'll see. Again, I always say have your plan and then allow the market to prove you wrong, right? So my plan right now is that we're not really going to get much, but again, I'm going to allow the market to prove me wrong. Let me know, guys, if anyone has any other questions, guys. Again, right now I'm not really in anything. Well, I'm not in anything, not really anything, but I'm not really looking to take anything. Everything's just kind of chopping around, right? By the time, actually, the one thing that does look a little interesting here is the Russell. The Russell's actually a bit weak here, like overly weak and kind of randomly weak. Well, I don't want to say randomly weak. It's been very strong this whole day. But this general area should hold for us, guys. If we get down to like here, that'll be a good spot to go long. Why? Because we have the hourly 20 EMA there. We have our hourly level. And just this general area will act as a good area of support. Looking at it as well this way, could it dip a little bit lower? Sure, but essentially, if you wanted to, you can take a long. Even if you wanted to take options, right, the IWM options, you can take a long there, the 2290s, and use a stop. Let me get rid of this. You can use a stop under the previous day low, so it's actually a pretty tight stop, right? So as far as futures goes, call it, you can even give yourself a little extra. Call it 6 points, right? The target would be, let's just say this would be the target, that 2305 level. Not even looking for the new high of the day, not even looking for, 2312, just up to here, right? Or even if you want to use the opening print, you can use the opening print, right? Which is not terrible, right? It gives you like about a 1-to-1, but the target roughly would probably be right there, 2305s. So pretty good risk to reward, especially if you're using options, right? I will say though, looking at my other screen, the YM 5-minute chart just flipped to an uptrend, guys. So we have this 5-minute here. As long as this 5-minute can stick, it likely will flip. Looking at the 15-minute chart, the 15-minute gave us a consolidation. We have a little bit of resistance ahead at the 15-minute EMAs, but I would say after the hourly close, potentially could get a move. If we get a 15-minute close above this EMA here, we can look for longs. But overall, guys, I think I'm just still kind of leaning towards chop. Still just leaning towards some chop, guys. Like, this does not look any fun for anybody, right? Maybe somebody's having fun out there, I don't know. I ain't having fun. NQ's really not doing anything. I mean, maybe people are taking trades, but I mean, what are we doing? Again, like I said, guys, we've had a little poke lower, a little poke higher, and look what we've done. We basically have just been in this small little 40-point range for pretty much the entire day so far. YM with that nice spike up, guys. So if we look, I didn't want to take this trade because it's like a kind of a little scalp, but just to kind of show you guys the sequence of what we look for, right? 5-minute flip. Once the 5-minute flips, what do we look for? We look for a 15-minute close over the 8, 15-minute close over the 8. What do we do? Target the 15-minute 20 EMA. It's all very systematic, guys, so. Amazon looks really good for a swing. Shout out Kylan if you're watching for this. He just told me, he just texted me about it. Any other questions, guys? This is really boring. Please ask me something. What did you immediately throw after the OT heartbreak? Oh God, don't even get me started. The announcer literally said, this guy is 1 for 16 and has had 1 home run in his pinch hitting appearance. I'm like, oh, he's gonna hit a home run. Literally 5 seconds later, hit a home run. And then I knew that dude Fry was gonna hit a home run. It was just a heartbreaker, unfortunately. Did I ever think I would make it in trading before starting? Well, the thing is, I think there's like a very loose definition of like make it, right? Because I'm still trying to improve every single day, right? I still make mistakes, so I don't think anyone ever like quote makes it, right? You just continue on the path and continue to be more profitable, right? Did I think I would be to a point where I can, really be profitable with futures, for example? Yeah, because I knew like I was just not going to give up, so it's just a matter of time. That's why I tell everybody, it's like everybody can do it. It's just a matter of not giving up, and then how much time they want to dedicate to it. Because some people learn faster than others. Some people dedicate more time more than others. But all I tell everybody, anybody that takes like a one-on-one lesson with me, for example, I tell them, hey, as long as you don't quit, you will be successful. It's just a matter of how fast, not a matter of if, just a matter of how fast. Have I hit 1 million profits? No, not yet. I wish. Futures trading, I just started last year, and options trading full-time for about 2.5 years. We're finally getting a little bit of movement here. What time am I staying on to? I'm going to wait for the hourly close in 7 minutes, guys. Then I'm going to kind of wait and see. If nothing's doing anything, guys, then I'm going to hop off. What's a country you wanted to visit or live in? I don't think I'll live anywhere else, but I've always wanted to visit Africa. Long it? We'll see. RTY is approaching that long area as well, so we'll look for that in a bit. Guys, 5 more minutes here for the hourly close. We'll see what happens, guys. Probably pass on the Russell, to be honest with you guys. Probably pass on it. I do like Amazon a lot for a swing, so we'll keep that in mind, guys. I'm probably gonna skip on RTY, guys. I think I'm gonna shut it down, guys. Truthfully, I think I'm gonna shut it down, guys. I don't want to force a trade, especially on OPEX Friday. I think I'm just gonna take the loss that we have, guys. Still a really great week overall, right? Still a really great week overall, and I don't want to take another L, especially on something that I'm not really super confident in here. So I'm not going to come back during Power Hour. I'm just going to call it a week because especially during OPEX, Power Hour can be even more choppy and confusing. So I'm just going to call it a week here, guys. So again, just doing a little recap, guys. The account right now is sitting at 151,374. Am I going to take your old YouTuber videos private? I have a bunch of bookmarked from where I was in your old chat, but I cannot watch them since you made them private. Not sure, Diego. I did remove some of my videos, Diego, because now I'm in a new Discord. I'm not sure exactly, though. But I definitely did remove some of them because now I'm in a new Discord. And I don't want any conflict of interest, so maybe that's why I did it. But, guys, again, tomorrow I will be potentially, well, at some point, I don't know if it's tomorrow or not, but I'll be adding more accounts, guys. So, again, this won't impact our trading together here, but I definitely highly urge you guys to get more. Not just because I am, obviously it doesn't really matter, but just because if you're already putting in the work, you may as well reap the rewards of multiple accounts, right? I'm going to probably be off-stream grinding the couple when I get them, you know, whether that's, you know, later today or Sunday or whatever, and then eventually it'll all just be kind of forecasted or portrayed, I should say, all on the stream together, and it'll show basically 3x the profits. So just don't be confused when you guys do see that, right? Just know that. But that'll be it, guys, for me today. Again, if you guys do want to take some trades in the Russell, the Russell does look relatively decent here, so I would be open to it. I'm just gonna do it, not gonna do it on the stream account, right? I'll just show you guys the setup real quick before we head off. I already talked about the Russell, but why I like it, guys, is because we're holding on to this level right here. We're right near that hourly 20. We just tagged the hourly 20. So in theory, right here, guys, it should bounce. So if you guys want to take a trade on it, I don't blame you. I'm just not going to do it on the stream account, right? So with that being said, guys, I'm going to shut it down today. Going to shut her down. Have a good rest of the day, guys. Have a good rest of the weekend. And am I going to alert in Discord? If I do take it, sure. If I do take it, guys. Again, Tradeify, guys. Count discounts on the screen. Have a good rest of the day, good rest of the weekend. Anything that I enter, including my potential Amazon swing, I'll signal in the Discord, guys. So have a good